Hi guys, my name is Gail. Someone asked if I could do a complete start to finish Dollar Tree mugs, so I thought, okay, I can do that. I'm not the best photographer, videographer, so we're just going to do what we can do. So there's the Dollar Tree mug. I left in one of the grates because I do like to use it as a measuring tool. So those things down there are just some scrap wood. When I was making some keychains, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there, and then couldn't quite get it even enough, so I put this in there. It got the best as I could at this moment, and we will just set that back on top. Try to make sure that's parallel to that bar. Okay, take my little leveler. So that's, again, it's not the best, but it's best as going to be at this point. So now take that out. Get my handy dandy calipers. And we're going to measure from the top of the grate to the top of the mug. That's not going to be perfect. Exact. So it says 29.7. So I'm going to go ahead and lay that in there at 30 on the design. Okay, let's give this a shot. Okay, so we're right back at the computer. It's just the next room over from the laser. Going to make sure our design is placed on there where we would like it. Scooched over a little bit. Okay, so this is where the magic happens. Over here, I've got laser flat, and right now when you open up your program, it should come up to wood, basswood. Well, we're not doing that, so we're going to click on that. I do stone and ceramic, glazed 4 tile, hit that little doober thing up there, and hit confirm. Now, the mug is not the size of a glazed floor tile, so we want to turn off the auto-focusing, confirm that we understand it could lead to the head colliding with the material if we don't do the proper measurements, and I'm going to type in 30 for the thickness millimeters of the cup above the grate. Okay, so now we're going to come back over. So there's 30. Stone and glass. Okay, now I can come back over to the design, click on that, and you can come over. I want fill engrave. The speed is set at 50. I'm going to drop that to 40. And then the power is going to be 100%. And I haven't really played with line density all that much. Sometimes when I do, it says that it can't do it, and I end up going down in line density, so I don't even mess with it all that much. So I'm just going to leave that at 100. And right now, we'll just do 1 pass. I have never had to do 2 passes for one of these mugs. Okay, so we're going to come back over here. And now, it will be time to take the autofocus off, so we don't have to do that. So we're going to go up here and we're going to click Start. It's going to be about 15 minutes. That's what it looks like. So we're going to send it. Okay, let's go back to the machine. Okay, we're back at the machine. There's the mug, there's the laser, and we're going to push the go button. And we're going to watch it. And there it goes. Now I'm going to make you watch it for 15 minutes, so we'll check back here in a little bit, and then we'll check back also when the whole design is done. All right, talk to you later. Okay, I'm checking into you, and so far it's doing really well. The first mama and the flowers are done. Now we're just waiting for the second, and we will go from there. See you in a little bit. Okay, here we are back at the machine. That's what it looks like inside. Opening. And there we go. Alright, now to go get it cleaned up. Back in a little bit. And here's the finished product. Now remember, just because I use certain measurements and I use certain power and speed does not mean every 20 watt is going to be the exact same. So please double check your measurements, double check your speed, and double check your power for what you need to take care of with it. Alright, I hope this helps you. Take care. Bye.